Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I am going to be using some of this 8x8 cotty paper because I have just decided I love it now, and we just may do a whole bunch of these projects on the 8x8. I like that it's already cut out, and I like that the edges are already deckled and they've all turned out beautiful when I peel the tape. I love them. Today I kind of have in my mind that I want to do some abstracts with these three colors. This is Blick Matte, Blue Red Medium, Orange Medium, and Sage Blue. And you'll see these coming up a couple times because I love them. I'm obsessed with them. This is some India ink I'm just putting into a little bowl. And that's walnut ink that's in there right now. This is just Black Magic. And I've just found some, I want to do some weird black marks and then some little bit of painting on top of that. So I've just pulled out something I randomly had in my junk, my little junk thing of different stuff to do some different mark making. And I'm just going to go for it. It's nothing that was important to me, but I kind of want to just get some marks in here, something that you're not really going to get, you know, with a pen or marking like you normally would like that, but I'm kind of just feeling I just want a little bit of some weirdo mark making. I wanted one or two to be thicker over here, kind of like over here, and then this I'll just throw back in my little bin over here. I'll let it dry, but I think we'll just let it kind of do its thing. I kind of want something a little thicker here. Got all kinds of random things to use for mark making that I did in a Skillshare class, and I've just kind of kept them all together over here. Oh, there we go. See, I just kind of want a couple of real thick. This is not making it easy. That's why I like working with weirdo mark making things, because the not easy part of that gives you that good randomness. All right, let's go for that. Definitely put that out of the way because, man, we'll make a mess with that, won't we? Okay, we'll put that over there. Now, I'm feeling like some abstract stuff. Let's just open these up. Oh, you know what I want to do? I'm going to work with my bowl scraper. Today I want just something fast, cool. You know what else I kind of need? I kind of need some gesso down here. Let me get out a little piece of palette paper. I like the way that gesso makes everything easier and spreadable. I may or may not use it, but let's put it down here. I'm gonna get some white, a little bit of white. I like using the white gesso as white paint too, because it's basically a acrylic paint with grit in it. Got some clear gesso. Okay, there we go. Now I'm feeling it. So let's get a little bit of paint out here now. And one reason I like using this bowl scraper is with abstract stuff, it kind of helps you work these brush lines in so they're less brushy. Which I'm sure everybody's got their own little secret. This has just been something I have discovered I like, so that's what I'm gonna do. We've got some piece of thick paint right there that's dried. There we go. Got a little bit of black in there from whatever I did last with that one. I don't really mind the color contamination, but I do just tend to go ahead and stick my brushes in these little paints. But I don't mind it too much on this because I'm already working with a little bit of black in there, so that's fine. So I just don't worry about it on these cheap paints. If this was expensive paint that I was worried about, I would definitely, probably, maybe, maybe not, put some paint out on my palette paper instead. But just not my worry. In case you're thinking, I wonder if that bothers her in the palette. Contamination. Nope, it does not. You do what you feel comfortable with. I do notice as I'm doing this, this paper is not like white. This paper is like a creamy color. Already liking it. Okay, I might come back to those too, but I really want, well, maybe I'll do a little more in here. So I'm feeling a little more minimalist today rather than maximalist, which I feel most of the time. I do want this to be a cleaner blue, so let's get a different brush here. Here we go. Let's just pull out. Let's just go ahead and Princeton Umbria number 8 Filbert. Let's just go ahead with a new one. I got a couple new brushes because thought it was time. The ones I've had forever. And I thought, ooh, let's break in some new ones. And I'm just dipping the brush into the white and the clear gesso to just give me some variations here with this paint color. And then I'm going to move these around with my spreader. Whoa, look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my gosh. Now is the moment that you're thinking, don't overwork it. Don't overwork it. I'm totally thinking, don't overwork it. Oh my goodness. This is exactly what I was wanting. Get some of that gesso in there to help mix that around. Oh, I feel some beautiful little masterpieces today. It's not usually my goal to make a masterpiece when I sit to play, but oh, I'm kind of feeling it today. Whoa, look at these. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. I love these. Like, I could be there. Like, do we need any extra mark making? I don't know. I'm kind of loving it just like it is. I want that little minimal, complete abstract kind of feel. Something fast and fun and gorgeous. I'm definitely feeling these. I'm going to let these dry for a second. And then we will peel this tape and see, did we get there today? Because I kind of feel like I got there today pretty quickly. Let me let these dry and I'll be right back. All right, we're mostly dry and I feel like for today these are done. A lot of times when I do stuff like this, if I'm kind of having trouble deciding does it need anything else, I don't want to ruin it, I'll go ahead and stop, put those away, and then you can think about it for a while. Another thing you can do is paint multiples, so we could go back and paint 2 more and then do all those extra mark making ideas that maybe we have and just see like, oh, did we like it better or not? So paint more than one. But I feel like these are there. I love the black marks that are shining from underneath. Like love, like I love this. Today I'm thinking more minimal because, you know, sometimes we throw everything at a painting, and today I'm like, I want to keep it simple and pretty with just 3 colors and maybe black and some gesso. So I want you to maybe give that a little go. 3 colors, your 3 favorite colors, whatever it is. These colors together have really turned into some of my favorite colors. And so, you know, it might be, you might see a piece of art or a piece of furniture, a piece of clothing, something that you're like, ooh, Look at these colors. I want to give those a try. And then they might turn into like your new favorites, but check that out. Oh my gosh, check that out. And I think this was like some raffia or something like that, just some kind of grass. So you might go out and pick out some twigs or sticks or grass or something like that, and to do your fun mark making, something different and non-traditional. That's always exciting, because then we look at the pieces that we have that kind of shine up through there, and we can mark make on top. I could get some oil pastels out or something and do some mark making, but I really feel like these are there and I don't want to add any more to it. So hope you enjoyed this very simple, simplistic, dynamic abstract duo today, and I will see you guys next time.